Hi, today we are discussing about the non-energy role of carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates, the various types, some of the disaccharides, monosaccharides, polysaccharides. So this what we specify today, non-energy role. The carbohydrates, how the non-energy. So carbohydrates are polyhydroxy aldehydes or ketones are their derivatives. So diet is digested to monosaccharides and absorbed through portal circulation. Ultimately, here liver converted, then also glucose and synthetic circulation enters. This is the mainly for energy. Therefore, other special functions of these molecules, like fat of glucose. What are the fate of glucose? So it is utilization by some of the oxidation, storage, and lipogenesis and conversions like into amino acids and also conversions into the other carbohydrates. Storage like glycogen storage and also glycolysis, HMP. So this is how the function will be oxidation and uronic and Rappaport lubrication cycle. Some HMP. What are HMP? So how hexose monophosphatations? Alternatively, oxidative pathway for glucose mainly meant for productions of NADPH and pentose sugars occurs in special tissues for special functions. Example like liver and also adrenal cortex and lactating mammary gland. Also NADPH used selections of donor in the many reductive synthesis of body. Extra mitochondrial de novo fatty acids synthesis like cholesterol to keep glutathione in reductase state like RBC and lens phagocytosis. So how HMP shunt to electrocyte this may be role in erythrocyte maintain the cell membrane integrity. So this is the free radical scavenger engine. So how the superoxide dismutase. So how it will be formed and also this NADPH is converted into the NADPH. So ultimately here glucose conversion to NADPH by the involving of glucose phosphate dehydrogenase and also NADPH is converted to NADP. Role of phagocytosis. So how glucose is NADPH is conversion of glycogen glucose phosphate dehydrogenase and also NADPH conversion of NADP by the NADPH oxidase and also superoxide dismutase to how bacteria will be killed like these things. Generations of reactive oxygen species of like myeloperoxidases. So role of HMP like hexose monophosphate shunt how pathway in lens. So 10% of glucose in oxidized in this pathway produce the NADPH to keep the glutathione like in reduced form which is necessary for maintenance of lens proteins. So how ribonucleotide and dihydroxyribonucleotide and thyroidexin and thyroxine to NADPH to NADPH. To provide pentoses and for nucleotide and nucleic acid synthesis and in de novo synthesis purines are built on the R5 molecule to form nucleotides. The components of important molecules like ATP, ADP, cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP and coenzymes like NAD, NADP, FMN and FAD. So uronic acid pathway, biomedical importance, productions of D-glucuronic acid and mainly utilized for detoxifications of foreign substance, xenobiotics also used in the monophosphates. Functions of glucuronic acid and conjugations. UDP glucuronic acid is active form. Conjugation takes place in liver and enzyme which catalyzes is the gluconal transfer. Various xenobiotics like drugs, chemicals, pollutants, food additives, carcinogens and endogenous hormones are converted into the corresponding gluconides which are more polar and soluble excreted in urine like bile pigments, monobilurinurides. So aromatic amino acid, benzoic acid, drugs and other xenobiotics first hydrolyzed monooxygenase cytochrome P450 systems then conjugated by D-glucuronic acid. Hormones, thyroid hormones, derivatives of certain steroid hormones detoxified by D-glucuronic acids. So some of the monopolysaccharides and functions. What are the functions of monopolysaccharides? So how Rappaport lubrication cycling like 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate and conversions of 3-bisphosphoglycerate and ultimately 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate here. Then also 3 conversions of glycolysis pathway. Here it is glycolysis pathway and ADP generations. the functions of 2, 3 bisphosphoglycerate. This is the main important, it is the most abundant organic phosphate RBC, where it is concentration roughly equal to the hemoglobin. Cell membrane glycolipids, also this glycolipids and glycoproteins, membrane structure dynamics, how this outside to inside cell, how the sugar reduces of glycoproteins, cell membranes. Glycoproteins located in the extracellular inside cellular side membrane, 2 to 10% are contributed by the sugar residues of their glycoproteins. Membranes bound glycoproteins participated in broad range cellular phenomena, including cell surface recognizes the so here is a glycoproteins situation here. Then also glycophorins. These are the single polypeptide chain 16 attached oligosaccharides units. The transfer of proteins with carbohydrate part. Cell to cell recognition, acyl-glycoprotein receptors. Then how this code sugars are proteins acyloglycoproteins and acyloglycoproteins. These are the acyloglycoproteins report receptors. So AVO substances. These are the glycospingolipids and glycoproteins sharing common oligosaccharide chains on RBC membrane oligosaccharides that determines the specific nature of ABO substances is present in glycophospholipids. In secretions, the same oligosaccharides is present in glycoproteins. So how this is functions substance packets AV and these substances. Glycosides. Regarding glycosides, the major glycosides forms in the hemiacetyl hemiketal hydroxy groups and anomeric carbons of carbohydrates react with a hydroxyl group of another carbohydrates or a non-carbohydrate methanol, glycerol, sterol, phenol. These are the alkaline group. So they are important in the medicine due to their action on cardiac muscle. Steroid as a glycone. So cardiac glycosides used in cardiac insufficiency, steroid as a glycone, derivatives of digitals and statofans and skickle plants, dystonin. So dystonin is a glycone, ovobain. So how ovobain inhibits the active transport sodium in cardiac muscles and sodium inhibitors. What are the sucrose? Sucrose is introduced apparently cannot be utilized but changes osmotic conditions of the blood and causes a flow of water from the tissues into the blood. Those can be in edema like cerebral edema. So how inulin homopolysaccharides, how inulin polymer D fructose used in renal function test determine the GFR, glomerular loss filtration rate. Cellulose polymerase of D glucose are not digested in humans, adds bulk to the intestinal substances and stimulate peristalsis and eliminations of indigestion food residues. And dextrin and dextrins partial hydrolyzed product starch used as a mucilage, and dextrins polymer of D-glucose alpha 1 linkages each. Molecular weight 75,000. So agars and agarose, so made up of agar is galactose and agarose is galactose combined with the 3,6 anhydrous galactose. Conversions into amino acid, synthesis of a non-essential amino acid acidity by transamination reactions like pyruvate to alanine and oxaloacetate to aspartate. See cycle skeletons of non-essential amino acids are derived from the glucose or its metabolites. So today we are going to discuss about the non-energy role of carbohydrates. Today we are discussing about these things. What are how these are the involvements of homopolysaccharides and disaccharides and monosaccharides. These are various things discussed about the characteristics and also functions and also what are the combinations to made about these things. Thank you and thank you very much.